Hello viewers, welcome to the GEM Immigration Information Cell. If you want to get benefit from this video focused properly, pay attention to details and watch the video to the end. Today we're going to discuss USCIS Immigrant Visa Interview related queries. Without delaying further, let's listen to Robert and see what he got for us today.
We are going to discuss in detail that how to prepare yourself for USCIS interview. Before that, we need to know that what is the purpose of interview we are preparing for. The interview is a normal part of the green card application process, especially for marriage-based applications. USCIS primary aims for the interview are to verify that all the information in your application is correct, confirm that your marriage relationship is genuine, identify any risk of fraud, and give you one last chance to update any information before the final adjudication of your application. This is a step to look forward to because it is one of the last steps in the adjustment of status process and means you are one step closer to becoming a permanent resident of the United States. Now, after understanding the purpose, let's prepare interview step by step. 1. Tips for preparation. Keep your schedule open. Interviews are typically around 15 to 45 minutes long. However, sometimes individuals have to wait long after their scheduled interview time before their names are called. Keeping your schedule open can help reduce your stress if you are at the USCIS office longer than expected. The interview consists primarily of questions about your relationship and immigration history. Make sure you are informed and prepared to answer questions on these topics. Plan to arrive 15 minutes before your scheduled interview time to ensure a prompt start time. Try not to be too nervous. This is the final stretch. 2. Who should go? For marriage-based applications, USCIS requires the Form I-130 petitioning spouse to appear for the interview with the principal adjustment of status applicant. Essentially, both spouses will need to attend the interview. 3. What should be brought to the interview? Original official documents, birth certificate, passport, visa, your spouse's birth certificate, etc. USCIS wants to see the originals, not copies of these, for both the petitioner and the beneficiary. Updated relationship evidence. Please note that USCIS will keep the evidence submitted, so be sure the evidence you bring is either a copy or something you don't need back. Updated financial documents for any sponsors on Forms I-864 and Form I-864A, if applicable. A copy of your original Form I-485 and Form I-864. Any additional documentation requested in the letter of invitation to interview you received from USCIS. If you have any new evidence, USCIS allows the submission of new evidence at interviews. 4. During the interview. Interviews generally take 15 to 45 minutes to complete. However, please know that interviews can go longer than 45 minutes, so, as previously mentioned. During the interview, the officer may try to verify that the applicant understood the questions on the application. Any unanswered questions or incomplete answers on the application are resolved at the interview. This is also an opportunity to update any information that may have changed since you submitted the application. During the interview, the officer will review your documents and ask you questions to make sure you have a good faith marriage and that you are not committing immigration fraud. Now, most important part comes. 5. Result of this interview / when will applicant receive green card? Based on previous cases, interviews generally result in one of the following. USCIS may let you know at the end of the interview that they have approved your application. You would leave the interview and typically receive your green card by mail after about a month. USCIS may not inform you of a decision on your case, but will approve your green card shortly after the interview and you will receive it after about a month. USCIS may issue you a request for more evidence before they can come to a decision on your case. Just make sure to submit additional evidence within the time frame that they give you. Simple Citizen will help you with this process. That's all from my side. Thank you.
From the GEM Immigration Information Cell, this is all the updated stuff for today. Let us know topics of your interest for upcoming videos. If you want help of well-reputed U.S. immigration attorney, who can file any petition on your behalf, you can visit us physically at this address. For virtual appointment and more information, visit our website at www.thegemimmigration.com. Thanks for watching.